What's poppin', Rolling Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me? Alright y'all, so as y'all see right now, man, we in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. Beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's early in the morning. It's Monday, May 3rd. My birthday's tomorrow, May 4th. But, man, it feels good to be here. The weather's beautiful. It looks beautiful. This is a part of our room to swim up. Whatever you call it. Right now, it's like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. We about to go get breakfast. Probably go to the beach. And see what else the day entails. But I just want to say thank y'all, man, for watching the last couple of videos. I'm trying to get back in the hang of vlogging. We gonna get there, but I'm coming out with the beads, so I'm gonna see y'all once we go where we go to get breakfast. Roll it. Baked beans, yes. And I want to try boiled banana. And what's this right here?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato? Yeah, let me try a sweet potato. And can I try the, so what I'm eating, this is smoked salmon, hash brown. This is sweet potato. This is a boiled banana, baked beans, plantains. She got a waffle, Danish, potatoes, eggs, sausage, plantains, some fruit. Let's try this again, because I just recorded it, but it didn't go through. But I'm about to try this boiled banana. This is a boiled banana right here. It don't taste like a boiled banana. I'm about to try the sweet potato next. The sweet potato. In America, our sweet potato is orange. Theirs is yellowish. It's not really sweet like a sweet potato. Yeah, it's not really sweet like a sweet potato at all. This resort food ain't banging like I thought it was gonna be. We about to finish eating, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all whenever we do whatever we do next. Rolling. Yeah.
Right here is what we call the Bob Marley.
this is Colin.
How you
He's gonna be your
doing?
captain. So you're gonna pay him the $90.
Okay.
Hold on.
And let go, Sean. So gonna make the full body massage or just the leg massage? It's up to you, bro.
Yeah, y'all good. Man.
Yeah?
Y'all good. She good. Bamboo rafting. I got Colin. He went to go pick up some umbrellas. He said the office is over there in the trees somewhere. Hopefully he didn't just run off with our money and leave us stuck right here to get rained on. Nah, but they been cool, man. They been cool. We definitely, I'm gonna fill y'all in on it later about how this all came about. But it's about to rain on us, so he went to go get some umbrellas so that we can keep it moving. This is something we never did before, but you know, I always gotta try something new in different countries.
It's close to lemon.
A lime?
So that's the lime leaf.
This is a lime?
So we boil the lime leaf in the morning to make tea. And we use the lime to make juices, put it in the coconut, in the rum punch and so forth. And back in the days that lime leaf used to be a natural perfume. They rub it on their clothes to catch the scent from it. Yeah.
Damn, that's dope.
Right, so this plant now I have in my hand, this is called elephant hairs. So this is the part of the elephant that we have here in Jamaica, only the hairs. So you don't say nothing bad about the elephant. You know why?
Ain't no
Because
elephant.
they're gonna hear you.
Oh.
So I'm gonna show you a little magic trick right now. I'm a magician and a tour guide as well.
Okay.
So you carefully at the elephant ears now. You look? Alright, watch this now.
That one didn't get wet.
See?
That one didn't, yeah.
It's a magic. Look again, you see? All over in the water. See? See, only I can do this trick, alright? So you don't try that at home, okay? So you see the reason why, the trick of it, the reason why this one is wet and this one's still dry, because this one is the much younger plant. This one is the much older one. So it came from the same plant, but this one is older, this one is much younger. So this one will be stay wet, it will stay dry, and this one will be get wet. So look at the water difference now.
Oh.
See, it's crystal clear in this one and not in this one. So back in the slavery days, this is what the slavery guys used to go to the spring and pick. So if you want to know if a water is clean, you pick this plant, the younger one. Once you take up a water in it, you see the water looking like this, you know the water is clean. See, crystal clear?
Yeah.
So the water is clean, no bacteria, no germs, nothing. But when we were much smaller, we used to play with this when we was a boy. See?
Dang.
Wow.
And once splash it on each other like that, you know? Yeah, so everything you see around you, bro, is all natural. Nature. in Patois, but to you guys, English. So it's like a broken English, you know? So if you want to ask someone their name in Patois, you say, what your name?
Oh,
Say, what your name?
What your name?
Not name, what your name?
What your name?
Yeah, what your name?
What your name?
Say it fast, what your name?
What your name? Name. What your name?
What your name? Where you go?
Where you go?
Where are you going?
Where you
you
go?
go?
where y'all go?
Yeah, where you go? Where you go? And you see, where you come from? Where you come from?
Where you coming from?
Where you come from?
Where you come
Asking
from?
you a question. Where you come from?
Where you come from?
Ah, Missouri.
Yeah. Patois, you know? And Wagwan mean what's going on.
Wagwan.
Yeah, so you see your friend, you can say Wagwan or why free. Why free. That means what's going on or what's up,
Wagwan.
you know? Yeah, Wagwan. Break it off, you know, all everything and break off everything. No, all everything and break. So you chew and you get the juice from it and throw away. You can throw away the trash for souvenir.
It's my first time trying a sugar cane. This is really good. Really, really good. Sugar cane? I never had nothing like this. And it's all natural from outside.
Later that same evening.
Yeah, man. So the houses, they come like this. Like government houses, that's how they come, right? And back then they go for like 90,000 US. And that's what it goes for back then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then one thing, you can change it and add on to it, but you cannot change the front. The design has to remain the same. The front? Yeah. Look at these. Look at these ones. So this is what I'm talking about, add on to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Look like a mansion.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I do it here, you know?
What's that thing, the gray thing on top of the house?
Huh?
The gray thing on the top of the house.
Grey?
It's silver, gray?
Silver.
Like right there?
Oh, that's the heater.
A heater?
The water, yeah, heat the water. Yeah, hot water. Yeah, man, you know, that's how I do it. Design it, make it, so it's like a middle class, you know what I mean, community, this one, you know what I mean? So all I do, after them, they build them and build around the back. Sometimes they do for apartments, like upstairs or downstairs, and rent them out, you know what I mean? So people buy a loan, buy the house, add on to it, build some, and build on the back and rent them out. You know what I mean? That's why art, but never, if you always check, the front is always the same.
Yeah.
The front, you always remain the same. You're not allowed to change the front. So you can build.
Montego, Jamaica. We got to see the middle class part of Jamaica. I don't know how the wind's sounding, but right now we about to go ride some jet skis over there on the beach. I don't know if it's an ocean or a beach. It's a party boat over there, man. Dang, I wish I would have known about that. So we could have paid to go on the party boat. But I'm just excited to ride some jet skis, man. She ain't never rode jet skis. I want to ride some jet skis. Hopefully, man, we can get some real authentic jerk chicken after this. I don't even eat meat, but I'm in freaking Jamaica. I'm about to try whatever, man. I'm about to try whatever, seriously. But it feel like it's about to rain. I got some drips on my hand. I feel it coming down too.
So hopefully she hurry up so we can get on. Well, she about to go to the bathroom. She should be coming out soon so we can ride some jet skis, man, before it start raining. The curfew is at 8 p.m. on a weekday, so we came at the right time. Seriously. As soon as I can record, I'm gonna see how we get on the jet ski. Roll it. About to get out here on the jet skis, man. I ain't rode the jet skis in so long. See ya. All the tours for us. He handled all the transportation, man. I'm gonna put his stuff on his page on my platform. Look for JJ, man. When you come to Montego, Jamaica. JJ, man. JJ got me right. Best of the best, man.
Best of the best. Montego Bay, man.
Shout out to JJ, babe.